Hello everyone and welcome to the first match in round 3 of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's St. Jude's Primary up against George Headley Primary, both from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. St. Jude's Primary won. They decided to have George Headley Primary play first. So George Headley, you are up. This section lasts for 4 minutes. And we begin in Bible knowledge. How old was Methuselah when he died?
969.
That's correct. St. Jude's Bible knowledge, how old was Adam when he died?
930. 930.
That's correct. George Headley Science. What are the 3 main types of consumers?
Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores.
That's correct. St. Jude Science. Explain the difference between omnivores and herbivores.
Omnivores eat both plants and animals, while herbivores only eat plants.
That's correct. George Headley, Jamaican Affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Bertelmore.
Mayor of Savannah Lamar. That's correct. St. Jude's Jamaican Affairs. Visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Derek Sangster.
That's incorrect. It's the Mayor of St. Anne, Michael Belnavis. George Headley, English language. By using the word lines, give an expression which means to find meanings which are intended but are not directly expressed in something said or written.
To speak between the lines.
That's incorrect. It's to read between the lines. St. Jude's English language, by using the word toe. Give an expression which means to conform to a rule or standard.
To let them tow you.
To toe the front.
To tow the front.
That's incorrect. It's to toe the line. George Headley, television, visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Viola Davis.
That's incorrect. It's Monique. Television for you, St. Jude's. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Vivica Fox.
That's incorrect. She's Eve. George Headley, general knowledge. What language do most people speak in Austria?
English.
That's incorrect. It's German. St. Jude's, general knowledge. What's the official language in Quebec, Canada?
French.
That's correct. Social studies for you, George Headley. In which Jamaican parish is the Swift River located?
St. Catherine.
That's incorrect. It's Portland. St. Jude's, social studies. In which Jamaican parish is the Rio Minho River located?
Clarendon.
That's correct. George Headley, music. Which Jamaican gospel artist released the song entitled Bible Addict?
DJ Nicholas.
That's correct. St. Jude's, music. Which former Jamaican gospel group released the single Jesus Makes Me Smile Again?
Tamila Combs.
That's incorrect. It's Papa San. George Headley, mathematics. What's the sum of 265, 173, 391, and 995?
$1,624.
That's incorrect. It's 1,824. St. Jude's, mathematics for you. What's the sum of 270, 2,114, and 1,309?
3,693.
And that is correct. And that bell signifies the end of section 1. And it's looking like George Headley primary on 4 points, St. Jude's primary on 5 points. Now the junior challenge face-off is up next. But before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, playtime is just as important as study time. Find the right balance. Study hard and play hard. Stay with us. We'll be back after this.